Hello. Let me show you my screen, and first I'm gonna close this camera, and over here we are to InVideo AI. Let me open this camera too, so that you can see me normally. It's gonna be my small camera down there. Okay. Great. Okay, now I'm back. Now you can see me. I guess it's better to see me and work that together. Let's see. I'm gonna try to paste a script over here from my YouTube channel. Okay, and let's write it like mysterious here. Mysterious and upbeat. Okay, mail, and we're gonna try to create a script to video. Create a prompt. Okay, let's try this one to see what's gonna happen with the InVideo. It is analyzing. Okay, analyzing done. We're gonna wait. It's thinking. I guess today we investigated enough this amazing tool, and it really was the time that we spent with this one. It looks really great, and I want to show you how many things you can do with this tool. And when we are done with this investigation, we can move on. Let's see now. Audience, online tool users, tech enthusiasts. Yeah, that sounds good. It was from the last time that I chose it. Look and feel, minimalistic, modern. Yeah, I guess inspiring. It's gonna be great. And platform, the YouTube is excellent. Let's do it. I'm really curious to see what's gonna create again, because this tool is really doing a perfect job. You see, it's funny that it's working like we see an old movie from the beginning of the 90s and 20s, and the end of the 90s and 20s, and like it's creating a black and white movie and with film, and it's really amazing. We see that we spend how much time? About 3 minutes. 3 minutes from the time that I paste the script to the tool, and wait to see the result. Okay, we see that it's working and creating our movie. I don't know if you tried this tool. You can write to the comments your opinion. I'm gonna create today a review to AI tools, AI tool detective, so that I can showcase the tool there and write my opinion to there. I would really love to hear from you guys and ladies, for sure, to know what you're thinking about this amazing tool. At the moment, I could easily say that it's one of the winners. Let's see what's creating here. Let's see what's the result.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, AI Tool Detective, proudly fueled by Free Spirits Web Services. I'm a freelance tech enthusiast on a mission to demystify the digital world. If you're seeking solutions, in-depth reviews, and thorough investigations of the latest online tools and applications, you've come to the right place. As a dedicated problem solver, I'm committed to providing you with the knowledge you need to navigate the ever-evolving tech landscape. Whether it's exploring the potential of cutting-edge AI applications, dissecting the functionalities of innovative software, or uncovering the hidden gems of the internet, I'm here to do the detective work for you. Join me on this journey as I combine the power of artificial intelligence, my tech expertise, and a healthy dose of curiosity to deliver informative content that empowers your online endeavors. Hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and together we'll unveil the secrets of the digital universe.
Okay, it looks really amazing. It looks really interesting. What I would like to do is to have the script so to the video as subtitles. Okay, I'm gonna write here please use free videos and images without watermark. It's one of the what I'm gonna ask, and add subtitles to the video. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Okay, as I can see, we spent about 7 minutes investigation, and wait to see what it's gonna do now. Okay, it says when you export you can remove the watermarks. At that point the stocks are licensed to you for using this project. Okay, so we can check in case
Welcome to my
it
YouTube
started.
channel, AI Tool Detective, proudly fueled by free spirit.
Let's see if
Spirits
it
web
already
services.
added
I'm
the.
a freelance tech enthusiast on a mission to demystify the digital world. If you're seeking solutions, in-depth reviews, and thorough investigations of the latest online tools and applications, you've come to the right place. As a dedicated problem solver,
I'm gonna
welcome to
just
my YouTube
add
channel,
subtitles.
AI Tool Detective, proudly fueled by Free Spirits Web Services. I'm a freelance tech enthusiast on a mission to demystify the digital world. If you're seeking solutions, in-depth reviews, and thorough investigations of the latest online tools and applications, you've come to the right place. As a dedicated problem solver, I'm committed to providing you with the knowledge you need to navigate the ever-evolving tech landscape.
Amazing.
Whether it's
I'm gonna
exploring the
grab this
potential
one,
of cutting-edge
and
AI
I guess
applications,
it's
dissecting
totally
the
ready.
functionalities of innovative software, or uncovering the hidden gems of the internet, I'm here to do the detective work for you. Join me on this journey as I combine the power of artificial intelligence, my tech expertise, and a healthy dose of curiosity to deliver informative content that empowers your online endeavors. Hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and together we'll unveil the secrets of the digital universe.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, not to keep this video longer, I believe this 9 minutes is okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it too, and please subscribe and hit the like button. We're gonna see for sure a lot. See you soon. Love you guys, and ladies, wish you the best. See you in the next video.